Okay, quick update. We made it to Port Orleans Riverside. And now we're gonna check into our room and cool off because it is gotta be 95 degrees right now. Woof. But right outside our room there's two beautiful live oak trees. Beautiful. Nice shady area underneath. Very nice. Okay, we're doing a room tour of 8605 Magnolia Terrace. Let's see here. Okay, once you come in, you get, oh, there's a dog here. Hi, Ellie, when did you arrive? When you walk in, right in the front, there's a Labradoodle. What? When did you get here? Oh, you got a good spot. Okay, right when you walk in, there is a air conditioner that's kind of covered in a nice looking decorative wood trim. And then you have a little seating area with a marble kind of styled top and some nice seats with inlay and a really beautiful mirror. And I hear a puppy crying. Hi, what are you doing? Stay there. You want to be in the video? Okay. And then they left us a Mickey towel, Port Orleans Riverside. And we have two beds here. Obviously pet friendly. And we have a kind of dresser with a coffee maker, some creamers and teas. And then there's a refrigerator down here with a bunch of stuff in it. You have 3 dresser drawers, pretty deep. And then there's some plugs right at front and center with some USB ports. Big, huge TV. And a what is this? An ice chest with some cups. There's a little coat hanger with a shelf. We can hang Ellie's leash from there. And a nice leather seat here. And then beautiful art on the walls. And then the headboards have art as well. What do the headboards have? Oh, there's also something new here. Wow, that's new since the last time we came. Oh, it's like a family enjoying themselves on the Sassagoula. Oh, and look at this. We have this Mickey looking thing. Kind of looks like an Alexa, doesn't it? All right. Hey, Disney, start the magic. Oh, this is cool. I didn't know this was here. Oh, it's playing music. Wow.
Hi, I'm Margaret, and I'm excited
cool.
to introduce you to our in-room interactive experience, Hey Disney. I'll show you some of the ways Hey Disney can help you experience more magic during your stay.
Oh, this is cool.
Along the way. For starters, please review the important information about the device and the Hey Disney experience that is displayed on your smart speaker. The button on the top of the device should be red, which means it's muted. To use the smart speaker, press the button to unmute it. To find out what Hey Disney can do today, just say, Hey Disney, what can you do? To see what's available. You can use this phrase anytime you want to get back to the menu. Once you're finished with a particular request and ready to move on to another, it's important to say, Hey Disney, exit. This experience will evolve over time, with new features to help you get the most out of your stay. Have fun!
Oh, that's cool. Hey Disney, what can you do?
I've got all sorts of superpowers to help out.
Oh, this is cool.
To get started, say, get things from my room. Send a cast member. Plan my day. Explore Disney Fun. Or try more things.
Wow.
To get started, say or tap get things from my room. Send a cast member. Plan my day. Explore Disney Fun. Or
Alexa? Oh, that works too. Hey Disney, explore Disney Fun.
Explore Disney Fun.
So used to saying Alexa.
This is gonna be awesome.
Oh, nice.
To unlock the fun, the magic word.
Hey Disney, play my messages.
Hi, folks. It's me, Mickey Mouse.
Oh, wow.
And me, Minnie Mouse.
we just wanted to call and welcome you to Walt Disney World.
Oh, we're so happy you could make it.
Yeah, Minnie and I have been getting ready for this moment for a long time.
And now you're here.
Hot dog!
Hooray! Oh, goodness, we can hardly wait to see you.
Oh, and don't forget, take lots of pictures so you can remember your trip.
Oh, that's right. I just know you're going to make wonderful memories.
Well, we gotta get going. So long for now.
Remember, we love you.
And we'll see ya real soon!
Hey, Disney, I'm done.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Hey, Disney, exit. Okay, I think we did it. All right, let's continue on with this tour. And Ellie is eating some food. Oh, she's got a whimsy. All right, eat your whimsy. Okay, so we got a nice, beautiful sink. Very like, what is this, like Victorian? It's got like chrome, and then there's the wood inlays. They have some extra pillows, hangers, and then we like to bring her crate when we go to a pet-friendly resort. It just keeps her safe. It keeps the cast members safe, and anytime they call us and we're not in the room, we can just tell them that she's in a crate, and they'll go in and give us housekeeping service. So good for everybody. And then usually when you check in, I gotta call and find out, but usually we get a nice set of bowls and a bag and a mat. They do a whole kind of thing, and now they're just giving us paper bowls, so it's kind of a downgrade in service. Hopefully it's just a one-off thing, but we'll find out. They have a beautiful mirror with a recessed lighting. You get a ironing board, and then you also get a iron. There's a safe over there on the side with instructions, and then this is the bathroom. So kind of similar to the last bathroom. It looks like they changed the flower. This is a different design for curtain, and it's pretty nice blue. The other room is kind of greenish. This one is same kind of subway tile and herringbone, and then they have the H2O here. Little bath mat, toilet, waste paper basket, some towels, and yeah, beautiful. What do you think, Al? Is this gonna do for you? Where are we? We at Port Orleans? That's so good. All right, that's the rest of our tour. So, oh, is this your posse? Get your posse. Ready? Ready? Oh, your ball's in there. Got your ball. All right, ready? All right, we're gonna say thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, dudes. Get that ball. Oh, get that ball. Get that ball. You want me to get it? Ready? Ready, get it. Oh, good catch. Okay, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, dudes.